Hey beauties, it's Riri. Welcome back, or welcome if you are new, and welcome back to another day of Durismus, aka Vlogmas. Anyways, today's video is going to be short and sweet. On our previous video, we did a very easy 5-ish minutes and 5 products au natural daytime look. And today we're going to be doing a quick 5 minute, 5 products day to night look. So we're going to take this look very quickly, we're going to amp it up, and we're going to take it from a daytime look to a nighttime look. The very first thing I'm going to do, and this could be with any products that you have, I'm going to go into the Gourmande Girls and Doodles by the Bunny Silent Night palette. And for me, nighttime means sparkle and shine and shimmer, or just a little bit more depth, a little bit deeper, darker, rich. So I'm going to go into the shade Peace, which is one of my favorites in the palette. I'm literally just using my finger and I'm pressing this in right on top of the blush that I previously placed on my lid. If you did miss that video, I will link it for you. And I just feel like if you're going from day to night and you literally do have 5 to 7 minutes, this is so incredibly easy, but the impact is there. The impact is incredible. So again, just with my fingers, I'm trying to be a little bit careful so I don't get it all up in my lashes. So, you know, be mindful of that. But aside from that, literally going in with my fingers. And this could be kind of depending on what you're wearing or what you're doing, where you're going. You could go in with any shade that you wanted to. You can go in with a beautiful like trio chrome shade, go in with a gold or silver or something like that if it's, you know, holiday-esque type of look. And I'm literally just pressing it in. And that blush or bronzer that's already on the lid is going to be a great base for this. Like, look how impactful that is in just 2 seconds. That is it for the palette. Next up, we're going to go in with mascara. We're going to add another little coat. If you are wearing a mascara that's not layerable, then just opt for, you know, doing it for the bottom lashes. So I'm going back in with my Maybelline Sky High. I want to just kind of zhuzh my lashes and then do lower lash mascara. I also feel like doing lower lash mascara kind of amps up any look. Next up is number 3. I'm going to go in with the Silkasine liner. I do not believe they make this anymore. This is very old, but I'm trying to use it up. I would say to go in with just an eyeliner. Any type of eyeliner you want to use, whether or not it's nude, it could be white, it could be a beautiful, bold, intense black. I also feel like that is something that is incredibly impactful, literally with 0 effort. Look at the difference. I think it's so punchy, it's so beautiful, especially for nighttime. You could also take this to the lower lash line. You could smoke it out if you wanted to. Then I'm going to pin my hair back a little tiny bit. With this, you could either go in and kind of punch up your blush or bronzer from your daytime look, or I'm going to opt to go in with some highlighter. This is the Tarte Maracuja Juicy Glow highlighter in Champagne Glow. And I like to take it and kind of warm it up on my finger first. Let it just kind of get a little bit more emollient. And then at the very top part of our cheeks, I'm going to press some in very lightly. Oh my, oh, it's so pretty. I love this product. I actually thought it was one of the Juicy Lips, which I do not like and I'm not a fan of, when I got it in my IPSY or my Moxy charm. And I was going to be like, I'm going to put this into a giveaway for you guys. And then I saw that it was a glow product and I tried it and I was like, oh my goodness, is this beautiful? And then I'm going to place a little tiny bit right here as well. And if you're not a fan of highlight, omit this step. I just, again, nighttime, maybe you're, you know, in a place that has lights and stuff like that, just the lights kind of shimmering off of whatever shimmer you used. Love. Keep in mind with this product, do not put too much up because it does not go back down. And in number 5, last but certainly not least, we had just a lip balm, a lip treatment, a lip gloss, whatever you wanted to put on for your daytime look. We're going to amp it up literally as easily as putting on a lip liner. This is the Huda Beauty Lip Contour 2.0 in Sandy Beige. You guys have been seeing me use the heck out of the shade Honey Beige, which is literally the shade of my lips, and it is almost gone. I have used this and abused this. It is phenomenal. phenomenal. Loved it so much, I purchased this one. This one offers a little bit more depth, and I would say that if you want to really amp it up, go a few shades darker if you wanted to, as opposed to like if I was using my natural skin tone one or like my Lips But Better one. So I'm just going to go in with this. And that is it. That is literally it. Of course, you could smoke this out. You could really amp this up, but this for me is enough. It's enough that it gives me a little bit of something, a little bit of glimmer, a little bit of sparkle, a little bit of glow, and it just amps everything up a little bit. So that is my quick little 5 minutes, 5 products to go from day to night. What do you guys think? I love it. I think it's super beautiful. I feel comfortable and confident, and I think it's an easy and effective way to go from day to play. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. Let's have that conversation. I love you beauties. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your best beautiful. Bye beauties.